Engineering icons. 10 Honda motorcycles that defy depreciation in the motorcycle world. Honda is often synonymous with sensible. The brand is built on a reputation for reliability, ease of maintenance, and predictable performance rates that make them excellent daily drivers, but often leave them trailing behind high-octane rivals like Ducati or KTM in terms of raw prestige. However, there is a different side to the Honda legacy. Beyond the commuter scooters and dependable commuters lies a history of radical engineering, homologation specials, bikes built specifically to satisfy racing regulations, and technical experiments that push the boundaries of physics. While most motorcycles lose value the moment they leave the showroom, these 10 specific models have transitioned from mere transport to high-value blue-chip assets. The cult classics. Cultural and quirky icons, some Hondas hold value not just because of their speed, but because of the stories they tell and the niches they occupy. 1967 Honda CB77 Super Hawk $5,000+. Often cited as Honda's first true sports bike, this lightweight machine proved that speed didn't require massive weight. Beyond its 100 mph capability, it holds a permanent place in literary history as the bike featured in Robert M. Pirsig's Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. 1981 Honda Moto Compo $5,000+. A masterpiece of micro-mobility before the term existed. Designed to fold into the trunk of a Honda City hatchback, this tiny commuter was a commercial rarity. Because most units in the US were privately imported, they have become highly sought-after oddities, with auction prices occasionally hitting $10,000. The golden era of performance as Honda moved into the 70s and 90s, they began defining the superbike category, creating machines that set the standard for the industry. 1969 Honda CB750 $250,000, the original superbike. By introducing the transverse inline-4 engine, Honda effectively ended the era of British dominance in high-performance motorcycling. While common, well-preserved examples remain highly valuable pillars of motorcycle history. 1978 Honda CBX 1000 Super Sport $15,000, an engineering marvel known for its screaming inline-6 engine. It was a rare beast that offered unparalleled smoothness and a distinct exhaust note, though collectors should note that restoration costs can be prohibitively high. 1992 Honda CBR 900RR Fireblade $10,000.14,000. Built on the total control philosophy, the Fireblade prioritized agility and power-to-weight ratios over mere straight-line speed. As riders increasingly seek out the analog feel of the early 90s, these values are climbing rapidly. The homologation specials. Racing DNA for the road, the most significant jumps in value occur in Honda's homologation. Models bikes built in limited numbers solely so Honda could legally race them in championship series. 1987 Honda VFR 750R RC30 $50,000+. A pure racing machine for the street. With only 3,000 units produced, the RC30 remains a legend in classic racing circles. Its high demand is driven by its pedigree as a championship-winning platform. 1994 Honda RVF 750 RC45 $$30,000 The successor to the RC30, this V4-powered machine is celebrated for its refined handling. While standard models are around $30K, pristine, low-mileage examples can command six figures at auction. 2015 Honda RC 213 VS $200,000+. This is a MotoGP bike with headlights, a literal street-legal replica of a Grand Prix racer. Only 123 units were ever made. It represents the absolute pinnacle of Honda's production capability. And its value continues to soar as it remains one of the most extreme motorcycles ever sold to the public. The experimental outliers occasionally, Honda abandons the rulebook entirely to pursue a technical obsession. 2004 Honda Valkyrie Rune, a massive, over-engineered cruiser featuring a flat-six engine. It was a loss leader for Honda, a bike so expensive to build that the company reportedly lost money on every unit sold. It remains a striking showpiece for collectors. 1992 Honda NR750, $100 000+. Perhaps the most eccentric Honda ever made, the NR750 used oval pistons to mimic the power of a V8 engine within a four-cylinder format. It was a technical tour de force that was too complex for mass production, making the few hundred units in existence incredibly precious to enthusiasts. Summary: Honda's investment value is driven by a duality. While their standard models provide reliable utility, their limited-run engineering experiments and racing-derived homologation specials have become essential, high-value assets for collectors worldwide.